Remember, we only passed through 75% of the cost increases that we faced last year. And it's quite different by different parts of our business. So in the beauty business and the personal care business, inflation has moderated a lot. But in nutrition and ice cream, with costs going up in things like cocoa and sugar and dairy, there's still quite high inflation. And one of the things we're discovering is that the consumer is very demanding on value right now. And value is not just about price, it's also about the performance of the products that they're buying. So I think consumers are expecting more from their brands, and we are investing in brand quality and strong innovation and so on. So, but overall, flat volumes when we're still having to pass through this type of level of pricing, I think shows the strength of Unilever's brands at the moment.
What happens to pricing if inflation moderates a lot, or even if we get global deflation? What happens? Do you have to give back those price increases?
The reason it's called fast-moving consumer goods, the clue is in the title of the sector, and we are not anticipating moving into deflationary context anytime this year. We remain very committed to our brands being priced competitively, and if market pricing comes down, then we will of course have to follow. But right now we're not anticipating deflationary pressure, but we all are hoping for a reduction in inflationary pressure. By the way, there is still structural inflation out there. Climate change means that initial crop yields are not particularly strong, and that's going to put pressure on things like edible oils, and that will indeed flow through to the fossil fuel sector. There's pent-up demand in China. So the increased onshoring that some companies are engaging in is adding friction to the economy. So we're not away from a period of some structural inflationary pressures, and we're not expecting to see deflation this year.
As you pointed out, volumes have held up quite well in the face of these price increases. When might we see volumes turn positive?
We do expect that this year Unilever's volumes will be stronger than last year, but we don't think that it will be a straight line from here till the end of the year. So there will be a sequential improvement in Unilever's volume performance, but quarter to quarter we're not making predictions because it will not be a straight line, and there are various one-off factors that will come through. But the general trend will be towards improving volumes. When they turn positive exactly, we're not committing to that.